Generations of my family lived in this town. I grew up here, went to school, and I know that there is much here that I love. I can dander to the marine gardens, or look to the loch or the fisherman's quay, gazing over the city on a summertime day. I can visit the biggest war memorial in Northern Ireland and enjoy the bonny sight. This town is full of history, but it's still a modern town by the shore. Earls and screevers stayed here, and famous men died here too. A Norman castle, a fortress built 900 years ago, still stands strong, with a secret passage that runs to an ancient meeting house with a crooked aisle. There's an ice cream parlour, restaurants, coffee shops and bookshops here too. I mind choir competitions in the town hall, smiling parents watching us sing, us rehearsing carols in the Cull meeting house, wrapped in scarves and blankets. The stained glass windows twinkling with light as we filled the air with song. I mind dandering slowly with my mother to school. Later I'd do a chippy crawl with friends to mark the chip shops out of town, or sit at the marina, lights twinkling on the water, chatting with friends as we eat a takeaway or an ice cream. There's plenty to mind here, and even more to do. This is my Carrickfergus.